Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's particular video, I am going to tell you about how I make this mini project and what is this mini project. So I make this mini project in the Python in the kivy.app. So this is very cool library and you can make app around here. You can make APK of the Python file around here. So in today's particular video, I am going to tell you about how to make this Python project and what is this, what the use of this Python project and what the use case of around it. Okay, in next video I am going to tell you that how you can make this type of application and what requirements you need. So in Kivy you can make your project in wherever file, like .kivy file in .py file, but most of the programmers prefer that to make a .kivy file because it's very easy to manage code around it. Like in the main.py you can make the classes of this project or the import material of this project, and I just made all classes in the main.py file which I call in the aro.kv file. Okay, so here I can just write the classes around it, and in .kv file I write the whole code of this particular project. Like you can just see that page 1 and buttons, labels, there are classes, there are widgets, so you can make all this stuff all this cool stuff around here. Okay, so kv file is must required. I don't say that must required, but it's a good practice to make a kv file and write all code here, not in the main.py file, because it's not very handy to use around it. So this is a very big code. I know that this is a very long code, and I definitely know that this has to be in a short way, or there's a way to make this code short, but I'm just a beginner, or this is the version first of this project. That's why I'm not dealing with the space complexity, time complexity, and the all stuff going around it. I just made a draft project, okay, but it's working, so it's fine by me. So I just share you that how I run this project. Okay, so here I just click on the run button. Here you see that I make this particular window. So this is the window of kv file. Okay, I mean not kv file, kv importation. Like we import the kv, so it's like applet. In Java there is an applet, so in Python there is this window coming out of here, not code run in a terminal, it's run in this window, okay, particular window. So here this is the home page of my application. Here you can see that welcome to Kindle. So this app is basically do the work of the Kindle, like Amazon Kindle. You can read the books and turn the pages and do all the stuffs. Like in this particular project I use the idea of Kindle, but not exactly like of Kindle, but yeah, little bit of idea I take from Kindle. So here you can see the start button. So this is the button in the Python file. If I click this button, I just transit the page to the next page, and here you can see that I write a code around here. So my basic idea of this code is, if I make the app which provides you codes daily in the morning 8 PM or whenever time you want to set in this particular app. So this is very helpful for the people who want to read the codes in the any time in the morning, or read a lot about codes in daily. So if you want a daily intake of code, or you need the daily codes manageable, you can use this app as a code app. Like in daily you can just get a notification of this app and just see the new code daily. Okay, so this is my favorite code of Might Guy. The code you can read and pause and read. So this is the back button. You can go back, and after next you can go to the next page. So here you can see the dictionary. So this is the very good concept that like in previous section you can read the code daily. You read a new code daily. Here you can learn a new word daily. Like every time you open this app, you get a new word, a new meaning of this word, and you can improve your vocabulary by just reading this dictionary app, using this dictionary app. Okay, so it will be converted, it might be converted into a dictionary app, or whenever you want to mold it. Okay, so this is the nice concept. After I click the next, there is an image. So there is also image, second image. So I just thought that I made this app like a gallery app. So here you can see that I just play around the images, and you can use this app as a gallery app. So after clicking next, this is the best feature of this particular segment. This is the VR song from One Piece. You can, there is not compulsory that you can play this particular song, but you can play any particular song which you want here. Like for example, here songs.wav, you can import any song here and play around it. So I make a button of play. So after clicking the play, the song will be played. So I am not going to show you that how it played because there is a copyright system in YouTube, but yeah, definitely it's work. I guarantee that it definitely worked. If you want this, if you want to check this particular code, I just provide you the GitHub link. You can just download this all source code and play around it. Okay, so this is the nice cool play button. I just forgot to forgot to apply the stop button here, but it's fine. Play button is also fine. So after clicking next, it goes around this window. It shows that read again. After clicking read again, I just move to the first window from start, and I am just watch once more and once again. So after coming this window, I just, if I want to quit this app or if I want to exit this app, I just have to click on quit, and here is the window of thanks for watching and thanks you to watch this code. Okay, so this is the nice particular app I just made in 2 or 3 days, I guess. Yes, my college wants the mini project around Python, so I make this app. There are many projects in my college like stone paper scissors game, tic-tac-toe, and all the stuff like this, and many students use the Tinker library of the Python, but I prefer the kivy.app because I just want unique feature, or I just want to be a unique guy. I'm not guy to just copy paste the product, copy paste the classes, or copy paste the source code from the Google. I'm not like that. I made this whole app by my own, and I'm just proud about it. So here you can download this, you can make the APK around it. So it's a cool feature around it. So after cancelling this, so guys, this is for it. If you want a video, particular separate video that how I made this app and what are the segments of this code and what is the logic behind it and how to make this Python file into APK file, just comment below. I make a second part of it, and in that second part I tell you that how I made this app and how you can make Python file into APK file. Okay, so guys, this is for the video. If you learn something new about it, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Thank you.